INFOSYS, the Indian tech giant, provide a plethora of IT services globally. They've had a stellar 2020-21, things slowing down a bit in terms of stock price. They can be traded on the NSE and also in the UK and US. So I'm going to have a look at the technical analysis to dig in and see where the stock price may be heading next. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. Really, up until mid-2020, it was good growth, but it wasn't stellar growth, and that's what I've highlighted in that yellow box there. And actually, if you look at the volume profile on the right, you can see most of the trading action has been, in terms of volume, in that zone. And then, summer 2020 kicks in, and the price just takes off up to all-time highs, around 1,800 rupees, and things at the moment just slowing down a bit as it tries to headbutt its way through that headroom highs of, I say, around 1,800. Downside first stop probably around 1,500, and then a bit of noise around the 1,300 area as well. But at the moment, looking very bullish for INFOSYS. If there are any INFOSYS bears out there, then my 4-line break chart could prove useful. At the moment, the entry is around 1675, but to use that with the stochastics at the bottom, and it's nowhere near there yet. So a potential idea for the short sellers amongst you. And the daily Heikin-Ashi chart paints a really positive picture. Our signals at the bottom, both bullish volume, bullish volatility, picking up to around its longer term moving average, about 20% per year. Then on to the price. It's been trading up very nicely, like I said, since the mid 2020s, and also behaving between that 2 standard deviation regression band I've put on there, the pink and the salmon pink and the light blue areas. You can see it hits the bottom, then goes up, hits the top, and goes down quite consistently over time. At the moment, it pulled back to the bottom of the band, and also coincides with our bottom band on the 2-line pink breakout box system there, and it's starting to build up, possibly for a reversal back up through the top of the box setup and towards the highs of the 2 standard deviation regression band, but overall looking more bullish. So for the Renko chart, I've used a 15 rupee block size, and we go on to our signals indicators at the bottom there, all bullish, trading above the longer term moving average. You can see how the price has slowed down over September through to December, flattening out after such a stellar run. But it could be just pausing for breath before moving higher, and if it goes through the sort of 1830 zone, then late 1900s to early 2000s could be the next upside. Downside support at 1635, that's 61.8% Fibonacci line, and then 1515 to 38.2% Fibonacci line. But at the moment, all looking quite bullish. INFOSYS looking very strong then technically, and warrant a bullish score for chart of the day. And we look at the Heikin-Ashi and Renko together, pretty much the same sort of setup. That box range in both sitting pretty neutral at the moment, as price just slows down a bit and consolidates and maybe pushes on upwards again. But if you're bearish INFOSYS, then top right we've got a couple of entry numbers to potential short trades for you, 1675, 1650. And if we focus in on the targets, then to the upside 1.39 and 2.13 to 1, and the downside just over 1 to 1 and 1.59 to 1. But overall, technically looking pretty strong at the moment for INFOSYS. There's some really great Indian stocks to trade out there, and INFOSYS looks like it's one of them. Very bullish at the moment, good fundamentals, good technicals, and looking good for the future. Let me know in the comments below what you think of INFOSYS, where you think it's heading next in terms of price action. Do you agree, disagree with the analysis? Let me know, love to hear from you. If you liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive future notification of content I'm going to produce just like this. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.